Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss how we can create a file from scratch. So let's start. So to create a Revit file, first of all, we need to select a Revit template. Right now, I'm in my Revit user interface. I'll click on new icon right here inside the models category. I'll click on new. This kind of dialog box will be opened. Right here, I can see different kind of disciplines. If you want more of them, click on browse icon right here. You'll be able to see more templates for you. So I'll click on browse. Now right here I can see different templates. Revit templates are right here. So I'll go for system default right here. You can choose whatsoever you want to choose. For example, if you want to create electrical project, go for electrical default. You want to go for construction, go for construction, and mechanical, plumbing, and so on. Let me click on systems and click on open. Now right here there are two options, project template. Right now I want to create a project out of this template. So I'll click on project, click on OK. Now my new project is being created. Now I want to save this one so that it'll be saved as a project. So for that one, what I'll do is that I'll click on file option right here, click on save as, click on project, and I can save this project somewhere. So for example, let me go right here. Let me see my Revit project inside this one. So this is my Revit project 01. Save. So I can close this project now because I just saved my project. Okay. But let me do something inside this project, and then in upcoming videos, we'll open this one and we'll see how it reflects. Okay. So let it save and then we'll proceed further. Till now, what we did is that we just created a Revit project based on a specific template. Right now, we selected system default template, and based on that one, we just created this project. By the way, system template is used for MEP services where we can model mechanical, electrical, and plumbing in a same Revit file. So in that case, we go for system default template. Now, a Revit file is saved. Let me draw something right here. So let me model ducting. So I'm just pressing DT shortcut key, or you can go right here in systems tab right here. And the same thing goes right here as well. So if I'll move my cursor right here on the duct option, you can see in bracket DT option is highlighted. It means the shortcut key for that one is DT. Right now, this symbol is visible. It means I can start drawing of my duct. So let me draw my duct. Press skip command. Same goes for pipe. So I'm pressing PI command, or you can go in systems. You can see pipe right here, and on pipe as well, you can see PI command. I can draw my pipe right here as well. We'll see why the single line is appearing right here instead of pipe. Okay, let me press skip command. Let me go for cable tree. So for cable tree, I'll press CT command and I can draw my cable tree. Right now, if you'll see, my cable tree is not visible. So there are a couple of reasons of that one. Let me search for the first one. I'll go in visibility graphics. We'll cross check my cable trees are visible or not. So those are not visible, right? So I'll click on cable tree fitting, click on OK. Now my cable tree is visible. But why the pipe is shown in single line is because if I'll go right here, my detailed level is medium. So I want to make it fine. As I made it fine, my pipe is properly visible right here. So that is how we can create a Revit file. We can create some of the elements and we can change some of the settings. In upcoming videos, definitely we'll see some more modifications inside the elements. Okay. Now let me save this file again. So I'll go in File option, Save as, Project, and I'll save it. Please make sure this is the local Revit file on which I'm working right now. Definitely, if it'll be central file, will sync the file, not just only save. Okay. Definitely, we'll see how it works for the central model in upcoming videos. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.